Hello everyone. This week we are going to be retelling. Retelling is when we tell what happened in the book. And we're going to try to do this with details. Our I can statement this week is I can retell what happened in a book with details. Now let's see how we do that. Last week we read the book Say Boo. And now I'm going to retell what happened. So that if somebody asks me, what is the book Say Boo about, I can tell them what happens in the book to see if they would like to read it or not. Now the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to break my paper up into 4 different parts. The way I do this is to make a straight line down and then a straight line across. Now with our plants unit, we've done this a little bit. In the first box goes the word first. And then I have to tell what happened first in the story. So first in the story, the ghost is sad because he can't say boo. Now to add details, I might also add that some of his other friends are making fun of him for this, and he has to go out on Halloween, and he doesn't know how to say boo, so he's really sad. So I'm going to add in here that he's very sad. Now, next, that's our next word we need to use, next. What happens is the ghost practices in a field and says who, which is not boo. And then I'm also going to put over here, I'm going to draw this part that the owl says, owls say who, ghosts say boo. So here's my owl. In the next one, I'm going to write the word then. It's my transition word. Then the ghost says moo by a cow. And the cow tells him that cows say moo, but ghosts say boo. And then last in the story, an animal comes around and says, I think it's a bat. So the bat says, boo-hoo. And then the ghost says, boo-hoo. And then he goes, boo. And then I'm going to put, he joins his friends. And that's what happens in the end of the book. Doesn't want to add my S, but let's just pretend there's an S there. So these are the 4 things that happened in our book. Now remember, when you are doing this, which you should do in your journal, you have to start with the word first, and then do next, then, and last. That's going to get you started on your retelling. Now look how many details Miss Nappy has in hers. I wrote a lot. So make sure when you are trying this, you are also adding a lot of details, and we will be practicing this week on all these details for retelling. Let's try it with another book that Miss Nappy reads. So in group, you should be ready to tell me what words I used to retell my story. See you soon.